Click Contact Lists. Create a new list. Select Synchronize List, and then Google Sheets. You'll first need to fill in the Google account's address you want to connect to Mailify. Follow the instructions to allow synchronization. Copy the synchronization code displaying. Give your connection the name of your choice, and paste the synchronization code. Once the connection has been confirmed, choose the file on the tab you want to import. Your Google Sheets is now synchronized with Mailify. You can consult the content of the lists, filter it, and use it for your campaigns. Please note the synchronized lists can't be edited with Mailify. For any contact lists you'll add in the future, you'll just need to select the Google account and the list to synchronize.